Yo, what is up, boys? Today is motovlog day and we are back out on everybody's favorite bike. We are on the e-bike. Now, you might notice that I'm kind of mellowing it right now, okay? I'm chilling in the bike lane. I'm not in traffic, and that is because we are headed to downtown Golden. Now, it is fall officially. I think the first day of fall was yesterday. Now, the leaves haven't started to change down here. You can kind of see they want to change. They haven't yet. So, that truck was not gonna... That truck definitely was going to kill me. So, besides being almost killed by that truck, you can see the leaves want to change. Now, I am going to do some other videos of me going up into the mountains where they are currently changing. They are like at their peak right now. Down here, not quite, but this can't really make it that far yet. So, what I figured I would do is ride this down to downtown Golden, kind of a little bit, oh, I just got soaking wet. Gosh darn it, did you guys get wet? Kind of ride it down here, pre-leaves changing, see it, and then when it's at its peak down here, we will go down again and see them. So I'm trying to go as slow as I can. As soon as I can hop off this main road, I just don't really want to ride on the sidewalks right now. I can, but I just don't want to right now. When we get down here, I am going to take the back roads into the city, and we're going to follow, there's like a creek that I want to follow and see if maybe because it's near water, it has a tendency to be colder near water, so maybe those leaves have started to change. So you can kind of tell, like right here's the spot, everything's kind of starting to get yellow. They're still green for the most part, but it is starting to get yellow. And another thing I'm excited about that I hope I can like go to on the e-bike is oh, look at this little jump right here. Ooh, I wish I knew that was there. I would have jumped it. Every year, like in October, it's still like September, but in October, elk every year, a huge herd of these big elk come down here for like when it's like their mating season, and normally I scare them right if I were to get too close. This I'd probably still spook them, but it would be a little bit less, you know what I mean? So I'm hoping I can get like a moto vlog with a huge herd of elk in them. I don't know exactly when they come down, but I do know that it is pretty, it's like mid-October is when I start to see them over there. So we'll have to definitely make a video about that. That dude's on a unicycle. Oh my god, he just fell in the middle of traffic. Oh my gosh. Listen, I respect for riding a unicycle. I've said it before, but I actually know how to ride a unicycle. Is he trying to get on it? Oh, he almost had it. I know, unicycles are hard, dude. I get you. You can definitely feel the chill in the air. Now, I'm gonna be honest. I'm actually kind of glad that the leaves haven't started changing just yet, because oh man, I've been seeing some of the, some TikToks of people leaf peeking up in the mountains. Oh my gosh, it is gnarly and busy. Like it was, I couldn't believe how busy it was. So it makes me a little bit nervous to go up there. I definitely have to do it on a weekday, but we're basically here. Yeah, as you can see, these trees are still all green. So, you know, it is what it is. I was hoping there was going to be some fall colors, and there still could be, but it is not looking likely. Oh, wow, that's a new fire statue. I thought those were real people, to be honest. I ain't even gonna lie. I thought those were real people. Wow, that statue looks crazy. Wait, electric Jeep. Wait, they make an electric Jeep? He's plugged in. Wait, what? Since when did they make an electric Jeep? Anyway, I got sidetracked. See, like when this starts to turn, it is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love this part so much. Like, this is just so peaceful. Man, they are just now getting ready to start to change. You can just start to see a little bit of yellow. Just a little bit. This is a campsite, and I've always wondered who, like, stays here. I mean, it'd be kind of cool, but, I mean, it'd be really cool. I'm not gonna lie. I'd be pretty sick to stay there. Share the path. I am. Oh, man. That water sounds so pretty. See what I mean? Like, we're gonna, when it starts to like peak down here, we have to come down here, because all of these like trees, all these trees aren't pine trees except like those two, right? Those won't change, but all of these will. And oh my gosh, am I excited. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is such a beautiful path, and it's even got lines. Oh my gosh, with the mountains. It is beautiful. Now, I do want to get to that bridge, and there's stairs right there, but I'm not carrying this thing upstairs because this eventually ends. But if I take this bridge, oh wait, you know what? I think that ends too. Ooh, yeah, that ends where I have to go on a hiking trail, I think. Maybe, I actually don't know. We'll turn around in a second, but we're going to do a little bit of off-roading. Listen to the dirt on the tires. Wow. Now I know this does eventually end, so we're gonna turn around in a minute. Just look at that though. Oh, this is such a cool spot to ride the e-bike, man. You'll probably pull off right here because it ends right up there. But there is, I know there's a sidewalk that leads me up into the cliffs, and I'm wondering, or up into the canyon, and I'm wondering if I can get to the sidewalk from there, because to be honest, the last time I hiked here was actually a few days ago, and I hiked, you can't really tell, but there's like a ridge on this mountain, and you walk along that ridge, and I parked like way over there. So I'm wondering, I actually think I can take the sidewalk all the way back. So that is exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna take that sidewalk. I'm taking the sidewalk. Oh, look at the beautiful colors. Ooh, you know what? That might be a thumbnail. Oh, hang on, there's a guy on a one wheel up here. It is just so pretty up here. Yeah, I want to get a thumbnail, so I'm gonna let this one wheel go by. Thumbnail. Look at that, boys. Look at that. Wow, that is just beautiful. That is beautiful. All right, let's get to the trail. I love how capable this bike is. I gotta figure out, oh yeah, to get to that bridge I need to go on this path. I need to go up here. That is just so beautiful. Damn, those girls are sitting in that water. You know that water's got to be ice cold. There is no way that water is warm. See, but now I'm pretty sure this sidewalk takes me all the way up until like it ends kind of up here. Peaks to Plains Trail, yeah. So there are a couple videos back, if you guys watched it, where I took this in the canyon a little bit. That's going to be this main road up here. This is like the sidewalk to it. And basically they're doing construction, because I sat in construction for a long time, if you remember. Basically they're trying to make all this connect eventually. And I cannot wait to do this exact path when all these leaves change. So you guys are seeing it now. This is kind of just a sneak peek of what's to come. I think when the leaves start to go though, the path is going to be a lot busier, which great. You know what I mean? Okay, that lady just said, my invention is, hey, maybe we should go, want to be messed up to like open the helmet and go by again and see if I can hear what her invention was? Steal it? No, I'm just kidding. You know how scary it is when people go by and how close I have to get this brake lever to this fence, or even this. That's why if you notice I'm putting my hand here, I'd rather have my knuckle take the blow than get my handlebar caught in one of these and boom, and hurt. And then if I like high side, flip over the handlebars, go down this miniature cliff, you know how bad that would suck? It wouldn't be very fun. So that's why I'm like trying to protect the throttle and this handlebar, because that would be a nightmare, okay? Ooh. Sidewalk fell through. Like, look at this. Oh, wow. Maybe we'll pull off right here. Oh yeah, this is a perfect little area to pull off, isn't it? Yeah, looky here. Do you think there's people up there? I kind of want to climb that. Hello, are you up there? We're climbing it. We're gonna climb it. We're gonna do some rock climbing with a motorcycle helmet on. Ouch, I just stuck my hand in a spiky plant. That didn't feel good. Wow, we are up here. Let's go this way. Now I'm in skate shoes, so they're not very grippy. They're meant to be on sandpaper, not rocks, you know? Wow. Look at that. Isn't that just so beautiful? That tree is starting to go. This tree's got a couple starting to go. Wow. I'm excited. I'm so excited, but man, if it's a bad winter, I don't know what I'm gonna do about these e-bike videos, boys. I don't know. I don't know what to do, because you guys really like the e-bike, but in the wintertime, what am I gonna do, you know? Wow. I love how this bike like truly lets you go enjoy nature. Like people like me who've got really bad leg injuries and ankle injuries, it hurts to walk long distance. I'm working at it, you know, I'm getting better, I'm starting to take care of my body, and you know, I'm doing my best, but sometimes it's hard. But this, man, it's super quiet, super mellow. I love it so much. Oh, that one's starting to change too. Wow, I could genuinely stay here forever. I could stay here forever, but you guys don't want to see me stay here forever, so we got to keep moving. Wow, just the wire bridge, the leaves starting to change. Oh my gosh, this makes me so excited. Taking this thing on dirt kind of makes me wish I had their dirt bike version, the whatever it's called. Oh my god, I wish I had one of them, boys. I would be mobbing that thing up into the mountains as much as I could. So we want to cross this bridge. So see, luckily a lot of people don't go this way because it's not really next to the creek. You can't really like tube it. You can't, you know, there's not a lot of things you can do. This basically follows the highway up here, or, you know, it's not really a highway. I've actually taken this bike on it, and the speeds are like 55 miles an hour, and we did do it. We did it, but that basically follows that the whole way, and it kind of, it mellows out more because it's not really in the like the hub of where everybody wants to be. Everybody wants to be in here with all the trees and the changing colors, right? Actually, right here, there's like a concrete pad. Yeah, there's a ramp too right there. I used to skate over there. It was kind of like one of our little hidden DIY spots, and it was actually a lot of fun. Never filmed any videos there, obviously, but it was there. Oh, that is such a cool shot with the mesa like that. We're gonna want to turn right here. That takes us back towards into the college, and this is gonna take us away from all that. So yes, there's still gonna be people on here, but it's gonna be more bicycles than anything, and I can actually start to speed up. And actually a fun fact right here, believe it or not, I'm gonna stop in the shade. I don't know where it is, but I actually have a YouTube video of me and my friend shagging baseballs from right here, because they had like nobody ever like came to get them for years, and we found so many baseballs and softballs. It was all up in here. Now it's kind of overgrown with these pretty yellow flowers. I don't know if they're considered flowers or weeds or what they are, but we did used to do it. Oh my god, it reeks right here. Hello? What the heck is that? Oh, good. What is that? Oh my goodness, what is that? Did somebody die? Ooh, is that my bike? I hope that's not my motor. It seems to have gone away. See, the path is over there, and I need to try to get to that path over there. I gotta figure it out. We'll figure it out. I actually don't know how we get over there. There's like no sidewalk on that side to even like get to that path. How do we do that? I wonder how we get to there. We might have to take the road back from here, because I don't know how to get to there. I'll be honest. Maybe we'll cross right here. Yeah, I think we'll cross right here and head back, because I actually have no idea. Like, the sidewalk starts right here, but it also like ends right there. You know what I'm saying? I bet you this would be insane too, low-key, honestly, right here. Look at that. All the I gotta quit saying it because I'm gonna bug everybody, but I'm excited to see the colors. I want to see some colors. I'm also gonna, I think I said at the beginning of the video, but I'm gonna take my big bike up and try to see some of the fall colors as well. I think that could be a lot of fun, boys. Yep, boys, I think we are gonna have to take the main road back, which is fine. We have plenty of battery. As long as you like stay in those low modes, man, you actually have a bunch of battery. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, but there is a cop behind me, so I am gonna hop off right up here as quick as I can, because I don't have any mirrors on this, and they will get me. So we're gonna hop off right here, and then I can just be like, oh no, it's just an e-bike. There he goes. I think once there was two of them. Oh, I think once I get a lot of grasshoppers. I'll try not to murder you guys. I think once I get mirrors, I think it'll be a lot better, because they can be pretty, our cops are pretty mellow, but they can be kind of sticklers about mirrors. So that's disgusting. I'm gonna get mirrors soon, or a mirror. I'm probably gonna put a mirror on it, one that can fold, because these bars are already like super wide as it is. So I think we'll just get like like a low profile mirror to be like, oh no, look, look, I got it. I got a mirror. I don't know what you're talking about. I got a mirror. Oh, that power line is extremely low. If I touch that, would that kill me? Why is it so low? That's crazy. Okay, now we're coming up to where we have to make the decision again. Road or path? I think I'm gonna go in the road. Kind of want to go fast, I'm not gonna lie, but I do need to change out my GoPro battery, so I'm gonna do that really quickly. All right, battery is changed. Let's hop up into the mode button, because we were in dual motor. I thought we were only in single motor, to be honest with you. I didn't even know we were in dual motor. I wonder how long we've been in that. So I'm gonna wait for cars not to be coming, and then I'm gonna try to sneak onto the road right there. Easy money. Oh yeah, feels good to go fast, boys, not gonna lie. Oh yeah, she's still got plenty of pulling power. Wow, she has got a lot of juice still left in her. Oh my gosh. Well, I hope I didn't annoy you boys too much with the fall colors. You know, I don't know. I don't know. I hope I didn't annoy you too bad, but I'm pretty much back to my house, so I think I'm gonna go in and work on some videos for you guys. I've got a lot of surprises coming, boys. You have no idea the videos that are coming your way very soon. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this one here. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you are waiting for a part 2 to this video, because we are gonna go down there when the leaves start to change 110%. So you guys already know the drill. If you enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend, and I will see you in the next one. Later.